All right, everybody. Got a real beautiful vehicle here today. 1957 Chevrolet 150 utility sedan. This is a real special car, kind of a factory lightweight stripped down version, meant to go fast. This is kind of had to be a special order car. It's been in magazines, it's highly acclaimed restoration, won many shows and plenty of awards and everything like that. It's got the 283 Fuelie under the hood with 283 horsepower, which was just a staggering amount back when this car came out. 3 on the tree, manual transmission there, which is a heck of a lot of fun to go ahead and shift. So yeah, I'm excited to get out here on the road and kind of see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. I tell you, man, this thing it's quick. It started right up on our showroom floor. It runs great. Our shop went through this. They just replaced a couple things in the with the fuel system. I believe the fuel sending unit, and then there was something else. You can check out all the details on our website, as well as all the details and all the awards that this car has won. I mean, it really is a tremendous vehicle in all respects. And yeah, come check this car out. Again, top quality restoration, no disappointments here. If you want to come test drive it for yourself, absolutely come do so. We're totally transparent and we have nothing to hide. You're gonna love this car. Contact the sales department. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to help you out with that. But yeah, I know some of these, these Fuelies can get a little finicky to tune. This thing runs great, and yeah, it wants you to push the gas. It's got 411 gearing in the rear end, so you know what whoever ordered this car, what they wanted to do, and that was to go fast. Totally awesome. Very rare. I absolutely love it. Check out all the details, the pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.